All right, so I'm still on the struggle bus, still looking for a buck, still trying to punch that Ohio buck tag. So we're gonna go out, and actually I was just talking to Colton on the phone earlier. I need to kill something with my bow. I haven't killed anything yet this year. There's been a few times that I've went out and I was willing to kill a doe, and well, I didn't get it done. You know, it's like you see does every single time you go out, and then the day you're willing to kill one, that's the day you won't see one. So I told him, I said, so from here on out, until I get my doe tags punched, I know it'll affect my buck hunting, but I need to get my tags filled. If a doe presents itself, gives me a broadside shot, and it's a mature doe, I'm taking it. So there's always that chance. We're targeting a buck, but there is a chance that we might take a doe. So I'm gonna get dressed here and get my gear all put on and camera gear all gathered up, and I'll see you guys in the woods. I'll watch over the video here in a second. I don't know, we'll see. I figured out I heard her crash, but maybe I didn't hit her as good as I thought. I can't go frame by frame on that camera. I have to upload it to my phone, but without going frame by frame, I think I smoked her. Maybe a little high, but we'll go look at the arrow. See at the ground. It's the first deer I've shot with my bow this year, so a little shaky. I know we all are in this for bucks, but especially the YouTube world, we all want to see buck kills, but them does are just as fun. That is a bloody arrow. Alright, I'm gonna give her some time. I'll take my stuff back to the house and get the four-wheeler out and go look for her. Well, we're on blood, but man, it's really hard to find. It just about poured the rain right after I got out of the woods, so it's getting hard to find, but she's bleeding good. It's just washing away, so keep back at it. Hopefully we'll find her soon. I don't know if my GoPro mic can pick that up or not. Coyotes. Alright, a little update. It wasn't easy. Damn rain washed the blood away, but I found her. Bad news is she's not dead, so I went back out and give her a little bit. And she's bedded down. I got almost right up on her before I seen her, and she didn't jump up or nothing. So I'd say she's in bad shape, so I'm gonna give her a little bit of time and I'll come back here and get her. Alright, I had to get reinforcements because of the rain after I shot her. But there it is. We're gonna get her gutted out and take her back to the house. Alright guys, we're back. So that ended up being quite eventful. So it drizzled on and off all day, and then I shot this doe, and I'm coming out of the woods to give her some time, and then it just starts pouring the rain. And I give her a little bit of time, and I head back with the four-wheeler and start getting on blood, and I could find blood. Like, I could tell she had bled good, but man, it was getting watered down and washing away. So it was tough, but it was a good thing she didn't run far. I don't know, she might have ran 60 yards, but by the time I got back there, it was pitch black. I'm by myself, had my little headlamp, and when I found her, she was still alive. she didn't jump up there. I almost walked right up on her. So I knew she was in bad shape. So I backed out to give her some more time, and I called my brother because she walked into a pretty good thicket and had a steep bank to get her up, to get her to where I could get a four-wheeler to her. So I called my brother Austin. He came out. He was the MVP there. He came and helped me drag her up that steep hill, and we got her back to the garage here. You can see her behind me. Good mature nanny doe. But yeah, we got her up here. So I just had to give her some more time. One of them deals where it started to rain, so I panicked. I was like, well, if I'm gonna find blood, I better get in there soon. And it was I almost waited too long. But anyway, Christmas Eve, so I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. And that's coming from me and the rest of us at Riser Outdoors. We appreciate all the support. Channel's done really good here the last few months. You know, one thing I want to talk about real quick is, you know, this was just an idea amongst a bunch of buddies, and in previous years we were just filming hunts with cell phone cameras and just having a good time with it. And you know, we decided, let's take this serious, and went out and bought a bunch of camera equipment and GoPros and 4K cameras and all that, and spent a little bit more time on the editing part, and we are very pleased with the support we've received, and everybody sharing the videos, liking the videos, commenting on the videos, liking and commenting the videos. Those two things right there help the channel more than anything, so I appreciate that. But like I said, Merry Christmas. I hope everybody has a good one, a good blessed holiday, and if you would subscribe, hit that notification bell, and hope to have some more content out there for you guys soon. Have a good one. Peace.